Hello, here have a guide, okay, for the buy the PEAQ, okay, crypto. We are going to the buy crypto and go to the buy sell here, okay, and here, okay, wait, and go to the buy, and here you select your currency, the USDT, okay, and you put the amount, okay, of you okay, you buy of PEAQ, okay, and you buy USDT, okay, and here the second step we are going to the spot here, okay, and go PEAQ, okay, you put PEAQ USDT, and here scroll, okay, scroll down, and here you put the amount, okay, of PEAQ of you want, okay, buy, okay, you put the amount, okay, and you buy the PEAQ, okay, with the USDT, okay, and you buy the PEAQ. Bye bye.